Well, Arizona's two largest universities are canceling some study abroad programs in Asia because of the outbreak of the coronavirus. Arizona State canceled their program underway in South Korea and is working on bringing students back here to the U.S. Right now, they're monitoring the spread of the illness, but have not canceled any other study abroad programs. The University of Arizona canceled their programs in South Korea and China for this summer. U of A told the AP, the Associated Press, that they don't have any students in those countries right now.